Hello guys, ito na pala yung ating part 2 na niluto nating paksiw guys. Ayan ang iso. Paksiw na tilapia at saka bangus guys. Tapos may sausawan tayo guys. Ayan ang iso. Ito na yun guys yung part 2 guys Wow part 2. Oh guys, kain tayo guys. Ay. Sarap guys. Taba ng bangus guys, taba. Natin kunting sabaw guys. Tilapia guys. Sarap guys. Sarap guys. Thank you for watching guys.